In the city, people can earn money through jobs, starting businesses, freelancing, or part-time work.
In this tutorial, we will watch how to create market-themed shorts using Filmora 14. Firstly, we will create an image by using AI and choose here aspect ratio. Then click on Generate. Here, I am downloading this image from here. Now, add this image to your local location. And then, we will make voiceover on this image through Wondershare Verbo. You may check it out. So now, I am moving to next step. Here, I have already imported this voiced over file. Let's watch.
In the city, people can earn money through jobs, starting businesses, freelancing, or part-time work. There are many chances.
Now, I am removing this background using AI portrait cutout. I am adding the AI image as background of this video like this. Now, we will adjust light and color in background image. Next, we will add subtitle by using speech-to-text feature. Now, we will make some changes in this generated subtitles. So watch carefully. Here, we are aligning these subtitles one by one.
In the city, people can earn money through jobs, starting businesses, freelancing, or part-time work. There are many chances to grow, like working in offices, opening shops, or offering services online. Cities also have many big companies and busy markets, which give more options for work. With the right skills and hard work.
Here, we are creating compound clip. Now we will add element from stickers section according to our current scene or words. So watch carefully. Now we will add money audio sound from audio section. Similarly, we will add more stickers with their sound effect. So now, we are moving to next step. Now, we will add white border to it from effect section. After doing all, you may export it.